Good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening. Yes, we're back with another tutorial for tilt brush artists looking to bring a little more oomph to their projects. Of course, this means we'll need the help of our go-to artist, George Peaslee, if he's up for another round, that is. I don't think we ever checked. What do you say, George? Okay, yeah, we'll take that as a yes. When it comes to replicating an existing object or piece of art in Tilt Brush, there's no better place to start than the reference image tool, located in advanced mode. So say George wanted to spice up his ongoing virtual home by adding a recreated famous piece of art to the wall. So say you were looking to recreate this as a poster in your scene, instead of having to physically remove your headset every time you wish to look at the source photo. The reference image tool allows you to import the desired image directly onto the program and drag it right onto your VR project for immediate reference. Of course, you're always free to put your own spin on things, maybe by taking your 2D reference into the third dimension, for instance. To do this, you'll first need to place your desired image into the Tilt Brush Media Assets folder located on your desktop. This will allow you to eventually access the photo from inside Tilt Brush. Once your selected images are located in the correct folder, boot up Tilt Brush and select your Settings tab, located at the bottom of your Canvas tool. From here, head to the Labs panel and click on the reference image. Here, you'll find your imported images, which you can then drag into your scene to assist you in their 3D recreation. And there you have it. Next time you're looking to pay tribute to any pre-existing art, photo, or existing image, make sure you're using the reference image tool. Unless, of course, you like making life difficult, in which case, have fun.